Hi! Part 2 na to ng sum of infinite geometric series. So in this case, meron tayong fraction. So nga pala yung formula natin for geometric series ng sum is s infinity is equal to a sub 1 divided by 1 minus r. So ginagamit lang natin to sa geometric na infinite. So first thing you need to do is hanapin natin yung a sub 1 at saka yung common ratio. A sub 1 natin 1/3, meron na. Kailangan na lang natin is common ratio. Para makuha yung common ratio, i-divide lang natin yung second term sa first term. So, we have 1 over 9 divided by 1 over 3. Ano sir, ang hirap. Madali lang yan. First thing you need to do is copy the first fraction, 1 over 9. Tapos gawin mo tong times. Tapos gawin mo tong reciprocal, 3 over 1. That's it. Tapos check mo yung diagonal kung meron silang greatest common factor. 9 at saka 3, meron. Divisible sila para sa 3. Ito ay magiging 3, ito ay magiging 1. 1 times 1, 1. 3 times 1, 3. 1/3. O, try natin to. 1 over 27 divided by 1 over 9. Same thing. Copy the first fraction. Gawing multiplication ng divide. And then get the reciprocal of the second fraction. Kaya 9 over 1. Then check the diagonal kung meron silang greatest common factor. Meron tong common factor eh. Yung 27 at saka 9, which is 9. Divisible sila pareho sa 9. O, magiging ilan na lang to? 1. Pag dinivide ko to sa 9, magiging ilan to? 3. So, that is 1 times 1, 1. 3 times 1, that is 3. So, ibig sabihin, our common ratio is 1/3. Then, pwede natin ma-solve yung ating sum ng infinite geometric series na to. So, S infinity, the sum of infinity is equal to A1, which is first term, 1/3. Then, 1 minus R common ratio, which is 1/3 din. And then, solve. O, kami muna natin itong nasa numerator. 1 over 3. Over. Ganun din ulit. 3 times 1, 3. Minus 1, that is 2. Ulit ha. 3 times 1, 3. Minus 1, kaya 2. Then copy the denominator. Ayan. Pag nagdi-divide tayo ulit ng dalawang fraction, parang ganito. Anyway, yung ganito itsura at saka ganito itsura, pareho lang yan ha. Ganun ulit. Kopya natin yung first fraction, yung numerator, which is 1 over 3. Tapos yung divide, gagawin natin times, katulad dito. Then get the reciprocal of the denominator, which is 3 over 2. Reciprocal, ibig sabihin babalik na rin. Then multiply. Tingnan natin yung diagonal kung meron bang factor. Meron, itong 3 at saka 3. Pag divide sa 3, magiging 1, magiging 1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 2, that is 2. Ibig sabihin, ang ating sagot ay 1/2. Yun lang. Kung gusto mo rin ito, yun lang. Bye!